In today's video, I'm going to show you an awesome free app that lets you loop and slow down your music. And it works whether you're using an iPhone, Android device, laptop, or tablet. Coming right up. Hey dancers, welcome to Dance Tech with JHsu, the channel where dancers become more proficient and efficient in the digital space. Now I'm sure we've all had instances where you wished you could slow down the music a little bit, whether that's in the middle of your creative process or when you're teaching class. And isn't it super annoying when you have to keep stopping the music and rewinding it over and over again to that one spot in the track, and like when you slide it, it just doesn't always get to the right spot. That's real personal. Okay. The app I'm going to show you today is called Music Speed Changer, and it fixes both of these problems. And while the app is only available on Android devices, there's a free web version that works on any smartphone, tablet, or laptop, and it works the exact same. Let me show you. And before we get started, let me know in the comments, when it comes to slowing down music in class, do you think that's a useful tool or a crutch? I'm actually very interested. I feel like this could be slightly controversial, so let me know in the comments. Okay, so once you have downloaded Music Speed Changer from the Google Play Store, all you need to do is open it up, and you'll see you have songs, albums, artists. Any song that is downloaded onto your phone or tablet will show up. And all you need to do is select it, and it'll start playing. Now, just to go over this layout, you'll see there's a pitch up top, then tempo, loop, and then the music player. On the bottom, you'll see there's the usual repeat, shuffle, play, pause, all those things. Now it's very easy to go back and forth in the song. All I need to do is drag my finger across and you'll see there, or I can pull the little line at the bottom. As I'm playing it, if I want to change the pitch, all I need to do is drag it. And I can always hit reset. Same thing with tempo. If I need to slow it down, so if you need to slow things down for class, for example, or if you're trying to really break down a piece of music while you're choreographing, that could be a really great tool. If you want to loop a section, all you need to do is find the start, and I would recommend maybe a few seconds before the part you're actually trying to choreograph to or listen to. You just have to hit A for your in point. You go to the next spot. Let's do this and go to B. Now when you hit play, it'll loop over and over again, and you can still slow things down, change the pitch, all that stuff. Now, if you really want to get specific with where in the music you're looping, you can click on this little keyboard icon, and now you can see I can go to the exact moment in the track to start and stop the loop. And to get rid of the loop, if you want to play the whole song, just hit the X, and you're done. Now, if we go back to the music playing part real quick, as you can see, it's really easy to sort your music. You can also create your own playlist. So for example, each of these playlists are based off of the studio I'm teaching at. So if I need to, I have all of them sorted here. To make a new playlist, it's very easy. Just go to the top here, new playlist. Oops, I'm gonna make the name, create playlist. And now when I go to the songs, I can just add it to the playlist and it's good to go. Very easy to change songs. I can just click or select, sorry, I should say, another track. And it will start playing. So that is basically it for the app. Now I'm going to show you real quick what it looks like on the web app if you don't have an Android phone. Okay, going to the web app version of this, in case you don't have an Android device, all you need to do is go to musicspeedchanger.com, and this works on your iPhone, tablet, laptop, as long as you have a web browser. I've tried this on my cell phone and my tablet, and it works great. So you'll see here, it says get on Google Play or use the web app. So we're just gonna click on web app. Then it's gonna ask you to choose a file. And you'll see here, it looks the exact same as the app. Basically, you have your tempo, your pitch, your looping points, music player, all that. So if I hit play, and now,
taking over, there's no escape. Over your shoulder, don't look away. Get your mind right. Eat for something you ain't ever seen. You better get moved.
You can also zoom in. So let's say I want to start the loop here. Go to here.
You better get moved. You better get moved.
And up top here, you can change the audio file and you can even save it. So let's say I wanted to loop just this one section up to here, and I wanted it slowed down a little bit so I could practice with it or send it to my students. You could then save it, and it would let you save it into a brand new file. So it's really, really cool. You'll see here it's loading, it's working. And there you go. Now when I click on this, it's the slowed down version of the song. And again, you can always reset, close it out, and that is it. Very easy to use, very intuitive. Now, obviously this wouldn't work for every single song, so the way I usually like to do it is I'll use something like Spotify to play everything, and then when it gets to just the choreography piece, I'll pull this up. Also, just a note, there is a Chrome extension version of this. I don't recommend this. I've tried it, and what's nice with this is it'll work on any website you use. So if you went to YouTube or Vimeo or some other place with video, you could use this in the Google Chrome browser and slow it down. The problem I found is once in a while, it'll start to get your audio and video off sync a little bit. And so when I'm watching things like with choreography, they're not always exactly on beat, but then when I uninstall the Chrome extension, it goes back and they're perfectly on beat. So I wouldn't recommend using this. I think using either the web app or the phone app are the best ways to do it. That's it for this video, everyone. I hope you found it helpful. Make sure you like this video, hit the subscribe button so you know when new videos come out, and I'll see you next time. 5, 6, 7, 8.